Hey, this is James of Pit Stop Auto, and today we're going to discuss the functions of the receiver, dryer, or accumulator inside of your AC system. To get things started, you should know that there are three different kinds of parts that act as the dryer. Here are some examples of a dryer, an accumulator, and a dryer that's attached to a condenser. Which part you need entirely depends on the year, make, and model of your vehicle. The dryer is an integral part of the AC system, as its main role is to remove any excess moisture. The dryer acts as a filter that catches debris falling into the system while simultaneously removing the unwanted material and excess moisture building up. It also functions as a storage tank for refrigerant and the PAG oil during times of low cooling demand. Whenever you open up your AC system, you need to replace the dryer along with the other components to prevent this excess moisture or corrosion from damaging the AC compressor.